If you have just sold an HVAC company, ideally you're on good terms with that seller right now because you just sold it for a good price. You did a good job. Make sure you get the visual, right? Make sure that you're using this for your content. If you're out to dinner or if you're on site and you're with the team and everyone's happy, and get that photo. You use the tactics that we've shown you throughout the lunch and learns here to make sure that if you're doing a post, you're doing it the right way and you're getting the engagement. But then if you really have a high value social proof, like selling an HVAC company, if you have a photo with a really happy customer post pandemic and you've just sold their company, well, that's highly relevant right now, and that's worth maybe not only following the organic tactics that we've shown you throughout here, but doing a paid boost. And so what you can do on LinkedIn is you can go into their advertising, right? That lives over here. You can boost that to every HVAC business owner in your area, and you can do that indefinitely, right? So you can set up that HVAC boost and you can put in a trackable link that actually ends that, it puts that HVAC business owner into another HVAC seller drip.